Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials so nothing interrupts play. Put on the headset and adjust straps until the image is stable. Make sure IPD is set so visuals are sharp. Next, power on controllers and pair them to the headset, then confirm batteries read at least 50%. Once done, clear a 2 by 2 area and mark boundaries. This prevents accidents and preserves immersion. You're now ready to load your first VR title and proceed into hands-on control calibration. You should run the room setup next so tracking covers your entire play space. Trace the boundary and tell the system where the floor is. Then calibrate controllers by aligning virtual hands with your real hands and fine-tuning button mappings for comfort. Change dominant hand settings if needed. Also configure comfort options. Choose snap turn versus smooth turn, enable vignette for motion-heavy games, and set locomotion speed to avoid sickness. Once configured, start a tutorial level to verify accuracy and refine bindings before full gameplay. You finish by entering the game's tutorial and practicing core gestures and movement until they feel natural. Tutorials expose common control quirks early. Play in 30 to 45-minute blocks and take 5 to 10-minute breaks to reduce fatigue and motion sickness. Finally, if tracking drifts or controllers disconnect, stop, power cycle the headset and controllers, then rerun room setup. This usually restores stable tracking. If problems persist, check lighting and reflective surfaces, and reposition.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.